Aspiron vacuum review. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we are taking a look at Aspiron vacuums, and I'm going to show you how you can buy Aspiron vacuum cleaners. So let's get into it. Now before I begin, I just want to say that there is a link in the description below for the website, and also along with some promo codes and discount codes that you can apply on your checkout pages to get a massive discount and save a bunch of money. So let's get into it. So here you can see I'm on the website, and all you'd have to do is just scroll down and you can find different types of vacuums over here. If you want some, canister vacuums or sticky vacuums or cordless vacuums, you got all of them over here. So you can select whichever one you want and you should be good to go. Let's say I want to buy the Aspiron CA033. All I would have to do is click on the buy now button, come over here, and here just simply hit the checkout page. And in the checkout page, all I would have to do is just apply the discount code, which I found in the description below. So make sure you check those out as well, and just simply apply them and save a bunch of money. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until next time, take care and goodbye.